take a close look at it. Actually looks better than I expected for the price. This unit is selling for between like $50 and $60 on Amazon. I noticed I purchased it for about $37 and then they raised the price the next day to $59. The sliders, that's interesting. They don't all feel the same. This one's really loose. On line 2, line 1 is smooth. And this is nice and smooth. They do feel about the same. There's some play in them. Knobs feel good and tight. Those feel good. Yeah, I mean overall, for the price, this feels pretty solid. So there's everything that came in the box. Power, let's plug it in and see. Alright, so this is the final review of the Pyle PMX44T mixer. We're using it right now. We are running this dynamic mic that I'm talking on, as well as the USB to PC connection and headphones. Also running the sound to the headphones and into the GoPro through this mixer. So that's pretty cool. GoPro is hooked up with a simple TRRS cable, like an aux cable you'd use for your phone in the car, right into the, well, I do have to have the mic adapter for the GoPro. But that aside, the Pyle PMX44T is a really cool mixer. Bluetooth, USB connectivity. It's listed as a 6-channel. That gives you 1, 2 mics, 3, 4 with the potential keyboard, guitar, 5, 6, 2 more, things like that. And then the outputs for your speakers. So really 2 mics and then some other devices. I've got an aux cable for my phone here. And then the splitter for the headphones, your main volume out, effects. I'll show you that real quick since we're on it. See if we can go up to some of the reverb, echo effects, turn it up. There we go. We are on number 9. And it just, delay keeps getting stronger and stronger with these, all the way up into a ping pong effect, which is pretty cool. So anyways, I'd say definitely this is a buy for the price. It's a great mixer. If you only want to use 1 or 2 mics, this will do it. And it provides that phantom power for XLR mics. You can also plug in just regular dynamic mics like we did today. Oh boy, I can't get out of this room. There we go. Room number 3. Room number 3, please. Anyways, that's the Pyle PMX44T. Thanks for watching. I think it's a great mixer. I guess I should have mentioned that although it is a great mixer, it's a little small, right? It's small, and if you need to plug in more devices like I'm planning on doing, I outgrew this one. I'm going to buy the 8-channel next. So, thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.